Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. And in today's video, we're taking a look at the AprilAire whole house humidifier. Now, this is the unit right here, and in today's video, we're gonna talk about some of the features that this offers, as well as talk about this electronic panel here that you'll go ahead and mount to your wall that will control the unit. Now, assuming your home is tightly built, this unit can give you coverage up to 5,000 square feet, which is a ton of coverage from just this one unit. Now, one thing I wanted to point out about this unit is that it is automatic. It will actually adjust based on the outside temperature, the inside temperature, and how much humidity is needed, and it will actually go ahead and automatically make those adjustments itself. Now, you also do have this electronic panel where you can make your own kind of manual adjustments here. You can see we have the less, the normal, and the more range, and we can go ahead and just make that adjustment by spinning this little dial right here. Now, this right here is what I call the seasons valve, and you can see it's set to summer here, but let's go ahead and adjust it to winter so I can show you what that's like. Now, you'll notice that the compartment is completely sealed here, and if we go ahead and make the adjustment to winter, it will open up that duct and allow airflow there, and you can see right into the unit because that unit is completely open there, and that is that seasons valve. Now, one thing that's great is when you need to adjust it back to summer, it's just a matter of twisting it back over, and it will tighten back up and adjust for the summer settings. Overall, I'm very impressed with this unit and the control panel, and with that large amount of coverage that you can get from this unit, I'm very impressed with it. And for that reason, I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.